Alright, not gonna really do nothing in this video because it's gonna be late and I gotta eat. But I cleaned the. I'm trying to get the keys out of my pocket. There we go. No battery yet for this car, but what I do? So these door panels are actually not too bad, and I purchased all new ones. So like this one, we're changing tomorrow because of that. So that gotta go. Maybe I'll. That one is actually good. I'm changing that one because of the door handle right there. We put in the plastic cap on the bottom. I gave Benny my weather formats and a little cup holder for the center. We put in the back cover, or I put in, that goes there, and I gave him a net. But probably tonight what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna install this piece. Benny has his over there, and I just like how it looks. Nobody sees it, but it looks flush. But I have an amp on mine, and I don't know if it's gonna clear it. So hopefully it'll clear. We'll find out until I put it in there. But we'll do that later. Tonight I actually want to put. So got all these new. Or maybe I'll just throw them all in because they're pretty clean. But I'm gonna do these. So I was thinking I need to use these for something, not going on the drift car. So I think I'll use these as my lights for the trunk, which will go here. I'm so tired. Go here. Now I'm gonna mount them in there. So I have two of them for each side. The wiring, I just need to figure out what I'm gonna wire it to. But I want it to where I open the light and then it turns on, or I'll put a switch and have it switch on. But yeah, so I took tomorrow off. I got a text message saying that my dad, potassium's up now, he's at risk for a heart attack. So we're just kind of on standby. But yeah, so I will see you guys early in the morning and we will install these. But maybe I'll do these tonight. We'll see if I do it or not. It's not a hard install, just pop the tabs, poke a hole, shove these in, washer, bolt, feed the lines, and then we'll just mount it for now until I figure out exactly what I want to do. I just want to do something, just get my mind off of everything, but everything's coming out good, and that exhaust cleans up very damn well. So, as you can see how shiny it is after I cleaned it. So, we'll throw that on Benny's car. But yeah, let me go eat, feel a little bit better, and then maybe I'll just install these tonight and do something. Because these are supposed to go on the drift car, but they're too big, and I think they'll be perfect for like in here for nighttime. Turn them on, and then it'll light up everything. I really like this trim. That is such a perfect add-on. My neighbor was like, "Oh, these are the same cars?" I was like, "Yeah, they're both Scion Toyotas." And he's like, "Oh, I always thought this one was a Lexus." I say, "Oh, thanks." So that's what I'm going for, the whole Lexus theme on this. So it's working. But we're gonna do this. Let me go eat and relax. I'll see you guys in a bit. And we're back. This time I just wanted to double check because I needed a door handle, and that's what I forgot. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to this white XB. Always look to see if they have the tables under the CLEs. Alright, let's see if they got it. I really want to try to get one of these steering wheels in good condition. I've been debating if I'm going to grab these tail lights. Alright, I need this. Alright, let's take things apart. So came back to the one that I got, the wing. Let me get this. And got this door handle, which is so I got the door logo. So got to replace that. Broke my hammer. It sucks. Let's try now. Get the fuel pump open. But yep. I'm just gonna walk the yard. I need to find more of these clips that hold the formats. Other than that, I pretty much got what I needed out of this car. I don't think there's anything else I need. Double checking, and I don't see anything. Yeah, I kind of want to have an extra one of these covers, but I really don't need it. I'm just hoarding. I think I'm good. I'm just gonna go ahead and pay for that item and get out of here. I'm good. So Lexus RX 300, pull the wing off. Let me see if this will fit on the XB body. Give it a try. It's too wide. That would be dope though. Hey, that sucks. Alright, so all done at pick and pull. I got the door handle and the dome light. Another one off this time it was off the XA. Similar to, I guess they all share the same thing on the XBs. So I have one for Benny's car and one for mine now. So we'll be able to both rock the dome light that sits up here. So I'm heading to Manteca Kaiser to go see my dad, spend the day with him. And then head home. Maybe I'll have time to do a little bit more to keep adding on to the video. But tomorrow I do have I gotta go to Sparks, Nevada and make a delivery to Walmart. So I do gotta go to bed early, so my hands are so dirty from the grease. But yeah, I'll get home and I'll do something. But I gotta go spend some time with my dad. So I'll see you guys back at the house. Got medicine and picked up my dad. Say hi, Papa.
Hello.
Say hi to everyone on YouTube. Alright, so back home. I gotta go to bed. I gotta get up early. This exhaust came out so good. It's gonna look good on his car. So the items I got, this cover, one of these bolts will fit. And I was like, damn, almost fit this plug. But it's too loose. And then I wanted to cut a little bit bigger hole here so I can replace it with this one too, because I want to cut a hole in here so I can run lighting for brake lights or something else for custom work. 2 more rings so I can do the Eclipse vents. They got the handle, you gotta clean it up. But yeah, so, and then this little plug for the windshield wiper, because I know he was missing both of them. But now we got all of them. So now he has all of them. Alright. I am done for the day. I'm gonna have to continue this video tomorrow. We'll install the door cards and the handle. So I'll see you guys tomorrow after work.